Life Sciences, Paper 2 of year 2018. Question number 1. Which one of the following statements is incorrect with respect to the nature and properties of lipids? The answer is N3 and N6 denotations of unsaturated fatty acids are based on the last double bonded carbon from the carboxyl terminal. This statement is incorrect. Question number 2. How many fragments of a linear DNA of 1 kb size are obtained upon treating with a restriction enzyme having a recognition sequence 5' TCGA 3'? The answer is 4. Question number 3. Which one of the following is a phage vector? The correct answer is P blue script KS. Question number 4. How much is the approximate propeller twist in B form of DNA? The correct answer is 36 degree. Question number 5. Which one of the following enzymes can alter the linking number of covalently closed circular form of DNA? Correct answer is gyrase. Question number 6. Which one of the following is a mismatch? So from the options given below, option D is a mismatch. Angular leaf spot of cotton is a mismatch for Albigo candida. Question number 7. Polynucleotide kinase can be used for. It can be used for 5' end labeling of DNA fragments and phosphorylation of linkers prior to ligation. So the correct option is D, both B and C. Question number 8. The presence of F factor in the bacterial cell indicates it as option A, male. Question number 9. Which one of the following chemical mutagens is incorporated into the genome by DNA polymerase during genome replication? The correct option is B, base analogues. Question number 10. Cap is a feature of which of the following nucleic acid molecules? The correct option is A, eukaryotic mRNA. Question number 11. RAPD marker is dominant one. Option C, dominant. Next question. Question number 12. Restriction endonucleases which recognize and cut at the same site of recognition sequences are known as isosizomers. Question number 13. Which one of the following features is a mismatch repair? The correct option is C. Parent and daughter strands of newly replicated DNA are distinguished. Question number 14. Exon skipping is associated with RNA processing mutation. Question number 15. A segment of DNA has 30 adenine and 30 cytosine bases. The total number of nucleotides present in this segment is, it will be 120. Question number 16. A transcription unit is 8000 nucleotide long. If only 15% of this unit codes for protein, calculate the approximate molecular weight of the protein encoded. The correct answer is 44 kilodalton. Question number 17. A purified dimer protein of 70 kilodalton when ran on SDS page gives single band. What would be the size of the band? The correct answer is 35 kilodalton. Question number 18. Which one of the following is better separation method for two polypeptides of identical molar mass? Isoelectric focusing. Question number 19. The Kcat upon Km is, it is called efficiency constant. Question number 20. Enzymes are catalytic antibodies. Question number 21. Leaves of grasses can continue to elongate following mowing or grazing due to actively growing tissue at the base of leaf blade and sheath that is called intercalary meristem. Question number 22. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of events for running 2D gel electrophoresis? The correct sequence is IEF SDS page. Question number 23. Which one of the following is true for mycoplasma? Option D. They are resistant to penicillin. Question number 24. Which one of the following does not protect microbes grown under aerobic conditions from free radicals? Correct answer is hexokinase. Question number 25. Which one of the following is an obligate anaerobic fungus? The correct answer is neocharismatic species. Question number 26. Which one of the following is false with respect to quorum quenching? The correct answer is flavonoid. Question number 27. Which one of the following statements about quiescent center is not true? Option D. It has most actively dividing cells in the root meristem. Question number 28. Which one of the following is commonly used for identification of bacteria? The correct answer is 16S rDNA sequences. Question number 29. Which one of the following represents the probable identity of 3 enteric bacteria 1, 2, 3 based on the results of standard biochemical tests? So, based on the table given below, the tests are given indole, methyl red, bogus Prosker, and bacteria, 3 enteric bacteria are given 1, 2 and 3. So, here the correct answer is option A, Escherichia, Salmonella, Enterobacter. Question number 30. The following table shows the number of individuals of 5 fungal species in a community. 5 fungal species are given and their individual number is given. So, based on this data, based on the above, the Simpson's diversity index of the community will be. So, based on this data, if you apply the formula, the correct answer will be C, 0.335. Question number 31. Morphological similarities amongst organisms with different genotypes indicate convergent evolution. Question number 32. When the presence of secretory product of a species inhibits another species, this type of interrelation is called amensalism. Question number 33. First life on earth was chemoheterotrophs. Question number 34. The process of product recovery from fermentation broth is called downstream processing. Question number 35. In which one of the following tissues of wheat seed alpha amylase gene is induced in response to gibberellic acid? Here the correct answer is endosperm. Question number 36. Which one of the following biopesticides also acts as a biofungicide? The correct answer is Trichoderma hertzianum. Question number 37. The microbial products and their producers are listed below in 2 columns. So, from this column, which one of the following combinations of producers and product is the correct match? So, option A is correct. Vitamin B2 matches with Escherichia gossypii. Vitamin B12 matches with Propionibacterium species. Statin, Aspergillus terreus, and cyclosporin, Tolipocladium species. The correct answer is option A. Question number 38. Which one of the following does not involve biostimulation in bioremediation? Here the correct answer is bioaugmentation with desired microbes. Question number 39. The mean for a binomial distribution of 10 samples having a probability of occurrence of 0.4 will be 4. Question number 40. Correlation coefficient tends to lie between -1 to +1. Question number 41. According to the classical genetics, which one of the following statements is true? Option A. Genes on different autosomes segregate independently. Question number 42. Silent mutation in a gene results in no change in the amino acid sequence of the protein encoded by the gene. Question number 43. Active transport differs from facilitated diffusion in that energy is consumed to move molecules against the concentration gradient in active transport only. Question number 44. Microtubule depolymerizing drug such as colchicine is expected to inhibit cytokinesis. Question number 45. Neurons are formed from precursor cells in proneural region due to relatively low level of notch activity. Question number 46. In developing brain, notch signaling promotes astrocyte formation and inhibits neuron formation. Question number 47. A neuron at resting state when treated with X showed transmembrane potential 50 microvolt, while when treated with Y showed -90 microvolt. Given such a condition, which of the following statements would be most appropriate? Here the correct answer is A. X induced depolarization while Y induced hyperpolarization. Question number 48. Mark the incorrect function of the kidney. It is responsible for coordinated muscle movement. This is not the function of kidney. Question number 49. The C4 plants are photosynthetically more efficient than C3 plants because CO2 generated during photorespiration is trapped and recycled through PEP carboxylase. Question number 50. Neurons originate from ectoderm. Question number 51. Which one of the following statements is incorrect for the brain in higher animals? The correct option is B. Glia are significantly fewer in number than the neurons. The latter help in the former's survival. That means neurons help in the survival of glia. Question number 52. Progesterone plays a major role in preparing the uterus for implantation. Question number 53. Which one of the following statements regarding RBC is correct? Option B. Nucleated in camel and enucleated in humans. Question number 54. Translocation of organic solutes in the sieve tube members is supported by P proteins. Question number 55. Which one of the following is known as the pacemaker of the heart? Sinoatrial node, that is SA node. Question number 56. Diaphragm helps in inspiration and expiration. Question number 57. Precursor of natural indoleacetic acid is option C, tryptophan. Question number 58. Which one of the following is not a function of an auxin? Induction of dormancy is not a function of auxin. Question number 59. Coiled cochlea is found in mammals. Question number 60. Which one of the following types of neurons is predominantly lost in Alzheimer's disease? Cholinergic. Question number 61. The lens in the human eye is option B, biconvex. Question number 62. Conduction of electrical signals in neurons depends on myelination and diameter of axons. Question number 63. In plant tissue culture, keeping oxygen amount constant and increase in cytokine leads to shoot differentiation. Question number 64. Normally, a dog did not salivate if it was shown red light, but salivated when given a piece of meat. It was also observed that if the red light was shown every time before giving the piece of meat, the dog salivated. After a few such trials of showing light followed by giving a piece of meat, it was observed that the dog started salivating even if it was shown the red light alone, without giving piece of meat. Salivation upon showing the red light alone is an example of conditioned response. Question number 65. A grazing antelope was killed by a leopard for food. It is an example of predation. Question number 66. In extreme cold weather, the water in most of the lakes freezes. Which one of the following options is valid for the fish in those frozen lakes? Option B, deeper water near the bottom of the lake does not freeze. Question number 67. Genetic dwarfism in plants can be nullified by spraying with gibberellins. Question number 68. What would you expect when a solution containing particles with similar density but varying sizes is centrifuged? Heavier particles will move more rapidly away from the center than the lighter ones. Question number 69. You are given two proteins A and B. A was a homodimer while B a homotetramer. They were dissolved separately and run on SDS page. Both the gels gave clean single band at 100 kilodalton. The molecular weight of the proteins were option A 200 kilodalton while B was 400 kilodalton. Question number 70. M is a naturally occurring physiological chemical which acts through a second messenger. Chemically, X and Y, two new synthetic structural analogues of M, were prepared. However, in a cell culture experiment, it was observed that treatment of the cells with X in the medium mimicked the action of M, but Y was significantly less effective. The most probable reason could be option A. X and Y have different affinities for surface receptor of the cells. Question number 71. Florigen synthesis in plants is regulated by gibberellins. Question number 72. In the process of sample preparation for RBC and WBC count by a hemocytometer, option C, the dilution is significantly higher for RBC counting and it is done to keep the corpuscles separated for accuracy in counting. Question number 73. Which of the following factors are likely to affect the spectrophotometric readings? Concentration of the solution, even if the volume in the cuvette varies but the light path remains constant. Question number 74. Record of electrical signals from the scalp is known as electroencephalogram, EEG. Question number 75. Which one of the following is not applicable for a chemical synapse? Cannot modulate signal intensity. This is not applicable for a chemical synapse. Question number 76. Release of neurotransmitter from the presynaptic terminal depends on calcium influx. Question number 77. Which one of the following is the target protein or enzyme for the activation of tumors by forbol esters? Protein kinase C. Question number 78. During water stress, increase in abscisic acid level initially causes closing of stomata. Question number 79. Pyromycin inhibits which step of translation in protein synthesis? Transpeptidation. Question number 80. Ethylene enhances the production of cellulase and chlorophyllase. Question number 81. Which one of the following non-standard amino acid is present in some naturally occurring proteins? Gamma carboxyglutamic acid. Question number 82. Arrange the following events in the correct order involved in the stomatal opening. And the correct order will be 2 pH of guard cells decreases, then 3 potassium ion moves into guard cells, then 1 water moves into guard cells, and lastly turgor pressure of the guard cells increases. So option B is correct. Question number 83. Which one of the following aldose sugar is most abundant in biological systems? Option A, D-mannose. Question number 84. Which one of the following is false for rRNA genes in eukaryotes? The answer is option A. 18S and 28S rRNAs are encoded by different genes. Question number 85. Photochemical reaction occurs in thylakoid membranes. Question number 86. Azacitidine is used to activate the transcription of silent genes. Question number 87. Which one of the following is wrongly matched? The wrongly matched option is D. Ammonification, that is conversion of ammonia into nitrate and nitrite. Question number 88. Beta diversity represents comparison of diversity in habitats or ecosystems. Question number 89. Which of the following is true of eukaryotic rRNA introns? Option D. rRNA splicing is catalyzed by small nucleolar rRNAs. 90. A theoretical range of conditions in which a species inhabit and reproduce with no competition is called niche with. Question number 91. Which one of the following amino acids is represented by a single codon in the universal genetic code? Tryptophan. Question number 92. Which one of the following is not a characteristic of an R-selected species? Option B, large size. This is not the characteristic of an R-selected species. Question number 93. Which one of the following is true with respect to the effect of methylation on the transcription of eukaryotic genes? Option D. H3 histone methylation is associated with both activation and repression of gene transcription. Question number 94. Which one of the following represents the unique feature of cryo-electron microscopy? Is that it provides the 3D structure of macromolecules and macromolecular complexes without forming crystals. Question number 95. Ecotone represents. It represents the transition zone between two or more diverse communities. Question number 96. Which one of the following is a mismatch? From the given option, option C is a mismatch. Second group is an in situ conservation, it is not an ex situ conservation. So second group method of ex situ conservation is a wrong match. It should be in situ conservation. Question number 97. Shannon-Weiner index is used for measuring species diversity in an ecological community. Question number 98. Myasthenia gravis is primarily caused due to disturbance in cholinergic receptor. Question number 99. Superantigen binds to TCR V beta and MHC class II molecule. Last question, question number 100. A taxonomic system based on all phenotypic similarities, equally weighted and without regard to evolutionary relationship, is called phonetics. So that's all in today's episode. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share as much as possible, and do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and have a nice time.